Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact PANOS version and appliance model so you get a compatible image. This prevents bricked devices. Once done, export a full config backup and system state and copy it off the firewall. Make sure you can restore quickly. Then schedule a maintenance window and notify users. You want minimal traffic during commit and reboot. Finally, log into the management interface and verify administrative credentials so you can proceed without delays. You download the exact PANOS image to Panorama or directly to the firewall, and always verify the SHA 256 checksum. This confirms file integrity. Next, upload or pre-stage the image on the device file system so installation starts immediately when ready. While the image uploads, read the release notes carefully for any required intermediate upgrades or feature flags. If intermediate images are required, plan sequential installs. Keep the console ready. You may need it for recovery. You initiate install, commit configuration, and reboot within your maintenance window so sessions are minimized. After reboot, verify system health, running services, routing, and traffic logs, and confirm high availability sync if applicable. Make sure to test critical flows and user authentication. If you detect problems, roll back using your exported config or boot an alternate image from the file system. A key troubleshooting tip: if the device fails to boot, use the serial console to load recovery mode and restore the verified backup image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.